What is up, everybody? Welcome to the hip hop workout by request. I'm giving you a number of songs here for about 10 minutes. We're just gonna find the beat, flow, dance with that rope, baby. I'm using my 5mm rope by Elite Jumps, who's a sponsor of this channel. I got them linked down below with a 15% off code for you. I'm probably gonna throw in my Muay Thai 3.0 heavy rope just to up the ante a bit in different sections if you want to check those out. I love that rope. It's a great challenge. Otherwise, let's get into the workout. Yo, here we go. Like I said, we're just gonna find that beat, flow with it, dance with that rope, have some fun. Get this workout in. 10 minutes, roughly. You can always go run it back and go again. Find a different workout to make it longer if you so choose. Oh, nailed it. Whew. Oh yeah, we're amping it up, baby. Get ready. Oh, how you doing? Keep with it now.
I'm getting out of breath here. That's what we're here for. Keep pushing it up. Oh, that's a good one. Right there, I like that. Donnell makes, baby. For this workout, you can take breaks whenever you need them. I'm going to the heavy rope now. The Muay Thai 3.0. Gonna grind this one out. Keep pushing it, here we go. Oh, that one. Now in the bottom, a little hard. Your shoulder's on fire. There we go.
Hey. Yeah. Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh.
Yeah, this song and one more after this.
Forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Work with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Lift this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. They don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my dick, I got bad intentions. Make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Beast in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure.
As you're fatiguing, make sure you're focusing on that form and technique. Staying nice and strong in that same consistent position. That's when these trip-ups are gonna happen. Find out what's drifting on you. Fix it. Oh. All right, we're heading to final song. Are you ready? It's called Who's Ready. Look at the banner of my channel now. I've recently changed it. We're gonna always be ready. Everyday athletes, baby. Here we go.
Mentally feel like Kobe, I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready. We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready. Been ready. I waited. My turn. On God. Hell steady. I keep dropping back to back. I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy, Brody, moving state to state. Make $1 million out to send me, plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking pennies, I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti, who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who ready? We ready?
Are you ready?
Who ready?
Yeah.
We ready?
Here we go.
Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who?
Woo. That was it, baby. Thank you for joining me for the hip hop workout. If you got requests, song styles, types of workouts you want to see, let me know down below. And I'll see you in the next workout. Woo!